jumping.
Everybody jumping.
Everybody jumping.
Jumping.
What them say? Jumping.
Moving now.
Move it now.
Jumping.
Come on.
Jumping.
Jumping. Feel it in the ear. Time for change. Rock with the rhythm, rock yo, it's the range. Vibration of the music a flow through me blood. Make the fire just burn. No time, better figure break the chain. Free up the lost day dreams of fame. Giving up the game. Giving up the game. The feeling turns.
Come if you want to be lost, captivated by the beat, pushing you to the edge. Gonna knock you off your feet in the club, on the floor, intoxicated by the bass, getting hot, burning up, getting hot. Like you're born to dance, the whole night falls away, so tear it up. You deserve a chance to be free. Yeah, 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 and I see you there, electrified upon the floor tonight. As you take the rise, you now see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Moving now, jumping. Moving now, jumping.
Hey, let me see you just jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump. Hey, let me see you just jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump.
Come if you want to be lost, captivated by the beat, pushing you to the edge. Gonna knock you off your feet in the club, on the floor, intoxicated by the bass, getting hot, burning up, getting hot. Yeah, yeah.
Martin.
Jumping, everybody jumping.
Everybody jumping.
Jumping, everybody jumping.
Everybody jumping.
Jumping now.
So my name is Yao. You may know me as Way of Yao from Instagram or YouTube, and I am a social media influencer. I have quite a few different inspirations. I tend to draw from androgyny as a main theme for my makeup. You know, people like Grace Jones really inspire me. You know, heavy makeup, really bold colors, that's what I live for.
You, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying. 'Cause you, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying, wasting all my time. But you.
So for this look, I wanted to create something that represents freedom. I feel as though in today's day and age, anybody can wear makeup, whether it be a man, a woman, or neither.
You, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying.
And so I really wanted to go with that pride theme, where you've got almost like a rainbow sort of look going on.
Wasting all my time. But you, I'm sick of trying when all you've got is lying. 'Cause you, I'm sick of trying.
I decided to include the black liner because I really wanted something strong and fierce to really pierce through this look and be that finishing touch. So due to me doing a rainbow look on the face, I decided I would add contrast in the lips by using a matte black lipstick. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a pleasure to create it, and I hope you guys can take something home from it as well. Bye guys.